Hey Roblox fans, are you stuck in a frustrating login loop or getting a login jam error? It is a common problem that can keep you from joining your friends and playing your favorite games. Don't worry, I'm here to help you with a few simple fixes. First, let's make sure the problem isn't on Roblox's end. Sometimes the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing an outage. You can check a site like Down Detector or the official Roblox status page on Twitter to see if there are any widespread issues. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait for Roblox to fix it. A weak or unstable internet connection can often cause login issues. Try restarting your router and modem. Also, make sure that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Roblox. You may need to temporarily disable your antivirus or add an exception for Roblox to allow it to connect properly. If you are using the Roblox app to log in, corrupted temporary files can cause a login loop. Go to your phone settings, then app. Look for the Roblox app. Once you see it, tap on it and then click on that storage and cache. At the very bottom, you will see the option Clear Cache. Tap on it. This is a common solution for many app-related problems and can often fix the login loop. If none of those steps have worked, a fresh installation of Roblox might be the answer. First, go to your Google Play Store and uninstall Roblox completely. Then, restart your phone to clear out any remaining files. Finally, download and install the latest version of Roblox from the Google Play Store. This might sound strange, but an inaccurate time can actually cause issues with logging in. Go to your phone's date and time settings and make sure they are set to update automatically. A simple sync can fix a surprising number of login problems. I hope one of these solutions help you fix the login loop, and if you're still stuck, your best bet is to contact Roblox support directly, as they can provide more specific help for your account.